Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we are going to attempt question number 10, 11 and probably 12 of sets class 11th exercise 1.4 of CBSE mathematics. So question number 10 states, if set X is having elements as A, B, C, D and set Y is having elements as F, B, D, G, then we'll have to find X minus Y. This question is based on difference of two sets. We have already understood this very concept in the previous video. Take for example, we have sets A and B, where set A is having elements as 2, 3, 4, 5, whereas set B is having elements as 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will be A minus B? This will be set A excluding the elements of set B. Here one can see that 4 and 5 are the elements of B as well. Then set A minus B will be having only two elements as 2 and 3. So here we are having set X with elements as A, B, C and D. We are having set Y with elements as F, B, D and G. So then what will be X minus Y? Here one can observe that elements B and D, they are common. So set X minus Y will be having only elements as A and C. Part number second is Y minus X. So here we have set Y has elements as F, B, D and G, whereas set X is having elements as A, B, C and D. Here one can again observe that elements B and D, they are common. Then Y minus X will be, this will be set Y excluding elements B and D. That is, this set will be having elements as F and G. Part number 3. What's X intersection Y? Intersection means that we have a set where we are having elements which are common to the two given sets. So here we have elements common to the given two sets. Now what is set X? It is having elements as A, B, C and D. And what is set Y? It's having elements as F, B, D and G. And what are the common elements? The common elements in this case are B and D. So what will be X intersection Y? It will be having these two elements, as these are the common elements. So this set will be having elements as B and D. Question number 11. This question states, if R is a set of real numbers and Q is a set of rational numbers, then what is R minus Q? We know what a set of real numbers is. It contains rational as well as irrational numbers. And we are given with set Q, which is a set of rational numbers. So what will be R minus Q? As rational numbers are common to both the sets, so R minus Q set will be only and only having irrational numbers. Question number 12. State whether each of the following statements is true or false and justify your answer. So part number first. We have a set containing elements as 2, 3, 4 and 5. And another set containing elements as 3 and 6. The question is whether these sets are disjoint. We know what disjoint sets are. We have gone through this very concept as well. So two sets are said to be disjoint if they have no element in common. That is, here A intersection B should be equal to an empty set. So here one can see that we have element 3 as in common element. Let us suppose this is set A and this is set B. So one can see that A intersection B is not equal to an empty set as we have a common element. So this statement is false because these two sets are not disjoint. Part number 2. Here we have first set with elements as A, E, I, O, U. And we have second set with elements as A, B, C, and D. Element A is common to both the sets. Now let us suppose this is A, set A, and let us suppose this is set B. Here again A intersection B is not an empty set, so this statement is again false. Part number 3. We have a set with elements 2, 6, 10, and 14. And we have another set with elements 3, 7, 11, and 15. Let us name this set as set A and this set as set B. So here one can observe that there is no element common in these two sets. So one can say that A intersection B is an empty set. So this statement is true as these two sets are disjoint. Part number 4. Here we have a set containing elements 2, 6, and 10 and another set containing elements 3, 7, and 11. So we have first set with elements as 2, 6, and 10. We have second set with elements as 3, 7, and 11. So let us suppose this is set A and this is set B. So here once again one can observe that these two sets have no element in common, that is A intersection B is an empty set. So the statement that these two sets are disjoint is true. Hope this makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel for more such content and thanks for watching.